what's going on, guys? Today is actually meet one of Dayton Cars and Coffee, and so it's actually in Miamisburg, Ohio, just north of where I live, about 20-25 minutes from here. So waiting on a couple guys to show up, and then we're going to rendezvous with a couple other guys before we pull into the first meet of the season. So we've got the car relatively cleaned up. Washed it not too long ago. Put the new diffuser on. Car's looking pretty decent for the first meet of the season. Just waiting on a couple other guys to show up. One's bringing in his STI. And I'm obviously going to meet up with my buddy Kevin, who's got the Le Mans Blue E92 M3. And then he's got a few guys I think that he's bringing along, maybe a C63, AMG. We'll have to see what else we got. This is Timmy.
What's up?
Timmy, what are you driving here?
2016 STI.
STI, what you got done to this thing? Better question, what do you not have done to this thing? It's got some new headlights there, LEDs, some HID fogs. WED Sports, I believe. It's got carbon all over the place in here. Steering wheel. Some taillights. Oh yeah, wow. Crazy. Just a little sneak peek under the hood. Alright, Tim, tell us what you got.
Well, it's a fully built block by Turn-In. Well, I guess the heads are still stock, but yeah, it's got a ECP X500 Plus turbo, ETS front mount intercooler, pipe for 1300 cc injectors, flex fuel kit.
Running full 80, full E85?
Full 85, flex fuel, so changes on the fly.
Sick. What exhaust?
Just a Cobb full turbo back exhaust, and Turn-In cut the downpipe. It mates down to the 2.5, so it's all full 3-inch exhaust.
And what kind of power?
Put down 475 on Turn-In's Heartbreaker.
Which is dyno dynamics.
Yeah.
Reads like 15-20% lower than a normal
like
dyno.
520, 525.
What's the torque?
It's like 460.
Oh wow.
So yeah.
Yeah, this thing hauls ass.
It's like 600 at the crank.
Jesus. Yeah, so last year when Timmy was at Dayton Cars and Coffee, he had a bazillion vape kids looking at it, so I think it's going to be even worse this year. Alright, this is Randy.
Too nice.
Tell me about your car. What year is this?
It's a 2014 STI.
Okay.
Just sedan version yet. It's just got an SPT exhaust, Cobb, access port, and the SF intake.
What suspension?
It's on H&R springs.
Okay.
It's
And Tim, you're on KWs, right? Or no? What are you on?
HPS.
HPS. So I guess I'm rolling with a couple STIs, and there's me.